This is the S-Video male solder connector, plastic. An S-Video connector is a mini 4-pin DIN connector commonly used in video applications. The S-Video connector is a standard definition video connector, but offers better signal clarity than standard RCA composite video. The S-Female connector features a metal housing with included cable strain relief. Internally, conductors are attached by soldering the wires to gold-plated soldering cups in the back of the connector. Choose the metal S-Video female connector for a cost-efficient, durable connection.
For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.